All right, PNNT. PNNT is the ticker symbol. The problem is, this is the credit they're talking about on TV when they're talking about, you know, all this AI build out and all this. This is what we're talking about right here. These guys are the middle lender. These are the middlemen. These are the guys, if you got 8 restaurants, 10 restaurants, these are the kind of people that'll lend to you. It's called a business development company, PNNT, okay? This pays monthly. It's a nice 13, 14% yield, so you're getting at least 1%, and you're getting paid every month. And I've owned this thing for about 9 years. Good stuff. Oh, hey, and I forgot. I'm fixing to send a trade update. On the trade of the week, what did we have? We had DraftKings. We're up about 10% in that. Before that, what did we have? We have, we had a hot one come out yesterday. Man, I hope you got in that stock yesterday. That bad boy, man, I got good feelings about that. That thing's a crypto miner, and it hosts hardware server farms for AI. So they're a landlord and they're a miner. It's a very cool stock out of this country. That was the trade of the week. I hope you get on it. I think we're going to make some good money on that. A couple weeks ago, we had AT&T and Verizon on that list. We've had Lowe's, Northrop Grumman. All of these are looking really good right now. I'm going to send out an email. It's going to have some updated charts, okay? Updated charts on those, and I'm going to list a few other tickers, some that I've added to, trimmed, some we trimmed. WBD. We won, baby. We won. We're in the green in the end. In the end, I'm in the green. We made money on that one. That was a spinoff from AT&T. I think we're finally getting out of it in the green, man, thanks to Netflix. What else? What else? CVS Pharmacy ran up there. LMT. We've had so many stocks do so well, man. It's hard to pick. Oh, all right. That little breakdown, you can find it in the newsletter. Some of the older listen. Hey, man, if you're on my Substack letters, if you're subscribed to the PetersReport.com, PetersReport.com, pretty easy. The PetersReport.com. If you do the upgraded one, which is like $1 a day, which is fucking cheap, dude. I have like 10 100%ers this year. 10 on that board, man, or 100%ers. Come on, man. You can afford a fucking $1 a day. And guess what? It'll read the shit to you too, man. How cool is that? It's well worth it. I love the Substack thing. We run 2 Substacks. One for the second income stream, which is not trading. It's not your 401k. It's not the S&P 500. And we're not comparing it to that, okay? It's not that at all. It is a passive cash flow business. And that's how we look at it, okay? And that's how we treat it, okay? That's going to be hard. That's going to be the hardest part for you to get. It ain't your goddamn retirement account, okay? That's not what it is. It is a well. So if you've read my book, you don't have to die broke. Look at the Bitcoin. What's up with the Bitcoin? What's up, baby? That's just to remind me. That's to fucking remind me. Put it close, man. Put it on the walls. God said that's why you see the Hasidic Jews, they tape Bible verses to their head, man. They're praying at the Wailing Wall, praying without ceasing. Come on, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is hope, man. Bitcoin is hope for this fucked up world we live in. So, that's what we got going there. Going to be live today. Going to start going live in Substack to go over charts as a bonus for being part of that premium upgrade. Not going to do it other places. I might do one here and one there, but I'm going to do the charts inside. We'll do it inside of the Substack. Okay? We're going to do it inside of there, and that'll help. Now, I wanted to read a letter here, and then I'm going to show you something technical. All right. These are weekly pairs. There's actually a bunch more. I don't know that I need all 50 since a lot of them are overlap. You know, it's already diversified. Then diversified on top of diversified on top of diversified, you end up with nothing. You're not diversified. But this is the SIS, the second income stream, a cash flow business, not a 401k, not a retirement account, business. And one of the big things you need to know is the big 3. The NAV, net asset value, available withdrawal. And what is your income, baby? What is the net account value? How much money do you got in the damn account? So you might have, say, right now I got $107,000. Okay, but I got 150,000 borrowed. So you might have 100,000 and 100,000 borrowed. So you got 100,000. That's your account. That's your net account pay. But you're holding 200,000 in stocks, and that's the leverage effect. Estimated income. Let's see what it is annually. All you gotta do is click estimated income. We're gonna see what it is monthly. Then we want to see what it is daily, and then figure it out for yourself. How much you making per hour? And man, when that thing gets to $10 and you make $10 per hour, 24 hours a day, whether you do anything or not, that's just pretty cool. This is a watch list. These are trades we could take. CLS, BMY, Apple, HD. All of these have been trades you could have been taking. We got a bunch more we can put on the list there today. I don't guess we're doing the groups anymore. And those were some new funds we have. But we got tier 1s, tier 2, tier 3. Tier 4 are the stocks that are available for swing trades. For me, I pretty much just swing trade the dogs of the Dow and other blue chip stocks, man. That's pretty much it for me. All right, so the weather's pretty nice. Not near, it was freezing early this morning and last night. Man, I mean, it was something else. So let's talk about second income stream, man. That's why we're here. Passive income. So my account's at, I did a little short video. I don't know if I posted it on YouTube or not. But listen, my account has basically been the same price. Where it is now is the same price it was about a year ago. I've been drawing out about $1,200 a month, a week, excuse me. I've been drawing this out a week. And, using that to offset, because we had to take we've got 14 rentals. I got 3 houses for myself. I'm trying to sell all the houses, all but one, or all but 2. So as we're selling them, I'm going to be losing passive income. And so that's where, I'm always trying to get ahead of things. So 2 years ago, I was planning for what was going to be coming down right now. Now, even with all that planning, it hasn't gone the way I thought it would go. And that's the nature of investing. That's the nature of trading. It will not go the way you fucking think it's going to go. It just doesn't work like that. And so you're going to have constant data inputs, constant things coming at you almost every day that you didn't fucking plan for. And boo-hoo, now you got to adjust. You got to bob and weave. So you've got to learn about stocks. Nobody cares if you don't want to. I don't want to learn. Nobody gives a fuck. You have to, because no one's looking out for you but you, man. You can book a one-on-one with me and I can get you going. We can get you going fast. All you got to do is want to do it, man. All you got to do is want to care. Trading stocks is easy. Making money in the stock market is easy. That's like baby shit. You could buy some shit today that'll start paying you next week. How hard is that? We now have over 50 funds that pay weekly. So what happens when you get that passive income to $1,000? Man, you ain't worried about retirement. You got an ever-growing passive income. You got a business. That becomes a fucking business. And so you're in the business of making money with money. People ask me that all the time, what's your job? I'm in the business of making money with money. All right, man, let's check it out. Let's see what's up. What's going on out here? Nice, huh? Nice. Sugar out. Yeah. How about that, huh? Got them money flow shoes. Got them money flow shoes.